My name's John.
Fantastic. Tell me where we are today.
Yeah, we're at Thistle Hotel in London at Samuel Leeds' 4-day conference.
Incredible. And how's it been?
It's been absolutely mind-blowing. Lots of really intense. For me, it's been the networking has really been the best thing about it thus far for me. I'm brand new to this, and just networking with people who've got the knowledge just enables me to feel more at home.
Amazing. And have you seen people land deals while you've been here?
Absolutely. It's really inspiring. What Samuel's doing here is an inspiration. Samuel was actually born to do what he's doing. That's one of the things I'm going to take away with me. It's absolutely amazing, and his inspiration is there for everyone to partake of.
Amazing. And for anyone who's thinking about getting this property, is this the place to be?
Absolutely. I think this is an accelerator. This is a force, what we call the force multiplier. It multiplies your ability to get to where you need to be. And we thank Samuel for that.